guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hina for those of you who are new, and today is gonna be a great day because Sayaf and I have decided for the New Year's we wanted to create a dream board so that we have a visual representation of all of our dreams that we want to accomplish. There's so much that we want, so some of the days get really hard, you know, like you're working, you're in school, the days seem to like just blend together. The past few years we've been writing it out, and it's honestly a constant reminder of our purpose, our goals for the year, just everything we want to accomplish. For me, it's like I really want to prove to myself that I can accomplish these goals no matter what. So come with me to Target as I create this dream board. Okay, so these are my options. So we have white, gold, black, and they all have different sizes. Okay, so these are my two options. I kind of wanted it super big so that we could just always stare at it. One has like a thicker frame, the other one is like more thin. So I don't know, I'm just torn between these two. We'll see which one I go with. Okay, so we printed out a bunch of pictures and it's coming together so nicely. Let me show you guys. These are the pictures that we selected. I wanted some florals. There's some nice quotes on here and some places that we want to visit in the future, inshallah. And I think Sayaf is going to print out a few more pictures and then we are going to go ahead and get started. This is the vision board that I'm trying to go for. You have some pictures, some motivational quotes. On the top I want to write 2020 to 2025 because let's be real, the goals that I want are pretty big and I know it's going to take some time. I like how there's like florals in there. I like how it kind of matches. See? We just printed out one of my favorite quotes. It says, "It always seems impossible until it's done," by Nelson Mandela. This is such a... Sayaf's making fun of me because I messed up his name so many times, but that's okay. Nelson Mandouche. It's Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. We're gonna have him on our board because we believe in his words, okay? Anyways, it always seems impossible until it's done. That's so true. Like, there's so many big things that we all want in life, and it takes like little changes every day that can get us to where we want to be. And then once it's done, we're like, oh my God, I'm so happy I persisted. So this is gonna go in the middle of the board. Okay guys, so me and Sayaf needed a quick little break from doing our vision board. Honestly, it was a very long process and I didn't think it would take all day, but we got a little hungry now, so we're gonna probably go to a pizza shop and grab some pizza. But before we go, I wanted to quickly share my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this hijab. It's from Hot Hijab. It's in the material jersey, and then I got this jacket from Italy actually, so I don't really remember the store name, but it is so comfortable. It's lightweight, so it's perfect for Arizona. I'll link some similar ones down below. I'm wearing this bag and it's from Aldo, and then these jeans are from my little sister's closet, and I'm wearing these ankle length booties from H&M. So cute because it matches my bag. Absolutely love it. Ignore the laundry basket in the back. So we're gonna go grab some food right now. We honestly needed a little break from all the work that we were doing. Sayaf was doing some last minute work before he flies out tomorrow, and while he was working on the dream board with me. So we need a little break right now. Yeah. And we're gonna stuff our faces. I can't wait. Let's talk about like what we want to do this year, what we want to accomplish. What's something that you think you want to work on?
I think the most important thing is contentment. Like, I think a person being content with what they have, what, you know, God has given them, the blessings that they have is probably the most important thing. There's this saying by a philosopher that what makes one knife better than another knife, it's the one that's sharper. But what makes one human better than another human, it's the one that's more content with life. So for me, I like to, you know, base my life on that. Am I content? How can I become more content?
Yeah.
But at the same time, there are a lot of, you know, goals that Hina and I have, things that we'd like to achieve in this, you know, in this life of ours. Some of the goals would be to maybe visit Mecca and Medina here in the next 2-3 years. Inshallah.
I really
to
want to go there.
Yeah, possibly, you know, move into our dream house. I mean, we'd be really lucky if we can get our dream house in the next 3 years. That would be incredible.
Yeah, inshallah. Honestly, we've been married for 2 years now. Our anniversary was, what, a week ago?
Yeah.
Not even. And we were just talking about how we like and appreciate how we take things very slowly. Like, we don't rush getting a house. We didn't rush even getting married. We waited a few years before we actually had our wedding. Yeah, we were engaged for
3.5 years.
3.5 years, yeah. So another goal that I have is to clean up my diet significantly and to exercise more. I feel like a lot of times I give myself excuses and I don't put in the time to work out. And when it comes to cleaning up my diet, I definitely want to add more fruits, vegetables, maybe juicing with Sayaf. And I want to have a really good relationship with food. I feel like a lot of times, I don't know if you guys are like this, but a lot of times I look at food and I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel guilty while I'm eating or whatever it may be. I want to like have this attitude like Sayaf where you don't feel guilty.
No.
You eat and you enjoy it, and then, you know, maybe the next day you work out and burn it off. For me, anytime I eat, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna regret this, I'm gonna regret this. And I don't want to have that kind of relationship with food. It's not right.
That's a good goal.
Yeah. Speaking of food, we just pulled up the Cheesecake Factory. What are you gonna order?
Pasta.
Jambalaya.
Shrimp and chicken jambalaya pasta.
God, that's so good. Should I order the same thing or should I order something else so we could like...
Mine comes with a guarantee of happiness. I'm here all night.
Well, like anytime he orders something, I just always regret not ordering what he orders.
And you have to add what to it?
Filfil on the side.
Jalapeno.
Guys, it is officially the next day. I'm so sorry. I left you guys hanging at the Cheesecake Factory. So basically, Sayaf and I split the jambalaya pasta there, and then we had the Tex-Mex egg rolls for our appetizer. And you guys, the portions there are so big that we just decided just to get one big bowl of pasta and just split that along with the appetizer. So it was literally so perfect and so delicious. And over there at dinner, Sayaf and I went over all of our dreams and our goals, and we just talked about this past year, how magical it was for us. In so many ways, but then in other ways it was obviously difficult because of the pandemic and all. But alhamdulillah, it just makes you think that you can plan and plan all you want, but then at the end of the day, God is the one who decides what happens. But when it comes to all the good things that happened, it was more so us pushing our careers forth. So Sayaf graduated with his master's in healthcare, and I graduated with my bachelor's of nursing and science. So many people don't know this, but at least in the state of Arizona, you can practice as a full-time nurse with your associates. The bachelor's program is all online and it takes a couple years. I decided to do that while I was working so I could get hands-on experience before I apply to any nurse practitioner programs, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Oh, and the best part of this year was the birth of my niece, baby Nurhan. Alhamdulillah, she's about to turn 1 year old. Right at the beginning of 2020, she was born. We like to say in our family that she's the greatest blessing ever. Alhamdulillah. We're so lucky to have her in our life, and we're lucky to have Jenna. Jenna? What are you doing? What are you doing, mommies? Mommies, what are you sniffing? Okay, she's hungry. That's why she calls me. So I'm gonna get back to the vision board. Sayaf was unable to complete it with me because he had another work trip. You guys, wedding season is at an all-time high, so that means I get to see less and less of my husband, which is just great. I'm gonna be completing the vision board by myself. I printed out the rest of the pictures and I'm gonna put it together with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing the hot hijab, jersey hijab in the color rose quartz. If you guys are on the hunt for a jersey hijab, definitely check them out because it is the most comfortable and you really don't need any pins at all, and it's just like good for, you know, running errands and all of that. I think I have this color and then I have one in the color camel to match the rest of my outfits. And then this top is from Forever 21. It's super cute. I love it because it has like this knot thing and it just kind of like gives us this nice style. And then I got these super comfortable cute joggers from Aerie. They are hands down my favorite. I wear them to the gym, I wear them at home. They're super comfortable. If you have that work from home life, this is definitely pants that you need in your closet. And then these are my house slippers. They're from Amazon. I will link them down below. They are hands down the most comfortable slippers ever. They're open-toed. That way my feet could breathe. So yeah, that completes the look. And then I have my laundry basket back there. You guys, being an adult is so hard. I wish I could just snap my fingers and it just disappears. Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2. Let's go make this vision board happen. So this is what we have going on so far. I printed out all the pictures and now it's just a matter of getting it in the frame. Do you want to help me? What do you want? Yes, we're gonna just put these in this giant frame. Sayaf said it's oversized, but I don't think so. I think it's the perfect size because the bigger the better, right? I'm just gonna quickly put this together and you guys could chill with me as I do that. I removed all the pictures. I kind of know where I want what, so now that I have like a nice visual of that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plastic and then we'll get started. So we want to cover a few years because the dreams that we have are pretty big. The reason why I have this on my vision board is just to kind of remind myself why I'm doing what I'm doing and to always, you know, be there, give back, make dua for those who need it most. It's just like a constant reminder of helping others out no matter what. So that's why I'm adding this. Yay, my Applebee's order is on the way. I ordered steak and shrimp and it should be here in about like 20 minutes, so that's good. Every picture is selected with intent. This is obviously family, and then we have Sayaf's dad up there. Ugh, vacation to the Maldives, inshallah. This is Switzerland, inshallah one day. And then there are some quotes on here. You guys, I'm like putting it together and I swear I feel so happy just looking at it already. It is actually coming together so nicely. I cannot believe how beautiful it looks. It actually like is motivating me. I love it. Look how nice. Sayaf's gonna love it too. I can't wait for him to see it when he comes home. So all that's left is basically taping all of it to the white part and then just putting it in the frame and then we're good to go. But before I do that, I'm gonna go eat some steak and shrimp. I will be right back. Sayaf and my mom called me between dinner and now, so I was talking to them and then Sayaf wanted to add 3 pictures. We realized we didn't put any picture of us in here, so this is the picture that I selected. It's of when we went to Chicago for my birthday, just like a reminder of our relationship. And then he wanted a picture of a car, so he sent me this one. It's an interior of, I think it's a Bentley. And then I added Santorini. The way I'm doing this is just by applying a tiny piece of Scotch tape to the back of the picture. And I'm just literally like the tiniest piece, and I'm just gonna put it like so. Here we go. so far did these. We have the rest to go. Oh, wow. This is looking so nice. Okay guys, I just got done putting it all together. It was not easy. Like, I had to fit a million of these pictures in here, and I'm so glad that I was able to. This is the finished product. I'll probably see where Sayaf and I are gonna hang it up once he gets back from his work trip. Hopefully this will give us some inspiration on a daily basis, like when things get tough, when life gets tough, we'll have this dream board to look at, and it'll be a constant reminder to not give up, even on the most difficult days. And then that's us, and some motivational quotes. His dad, we love him so much. Okay guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting together my dream board for 2021 and onwards. Inshallah, inshallah, it's a better year for all of us. I wish you guys safety, health, happiness, success, and everything in between, inshallah. You guys should definitely do one of these dream boards. I mean, this is my first time doing it, and I'll probably give you guys an update in about like 6 months to a year to let you guys know if it actually motivates me or not. I'm pretty sure it will, and I'll let you guys know in the next vlog where I decide to put this dream board. It is half the size of my wall, so we'll see where it goes. But with that being said, I hope you guys have a great night, and inshallah I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.